Service in Reno has issued a flash flood warning for northern Reno County in Northern California until 2:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 12:10
We're
p.m.
not even
Pacific
close to
Daylight Time,
California.
Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain over the splintered burn scar. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. This may impact Highway 395 near Topaz. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Junction U South 395 and California 89, Topaz. Excessive rainfall over the burn scar will result in debris flow moving toward Highway 395 near Topaz. The debris flow can consist of rock, mud, vegetation, and other loose materials. Move away from recently burned areas. Life-threatening flooding of creeks, roads, and normally dry arroyos is likely. The heavy rains will likely trigger rock slides, mudslides, and debris flows in steep terrain, especially in and around these areas.
Stop fishing for compliments, Smithers. I'm going to your can of mushroom soup. Sir, kind.
Flash flood warning.